Viewers, Assalamu alaikum of all are well. Today we will be know how to make an Amazon account. Yes, viewers, today we will be know how to make an Amazon account. Number web friend and Amazon mobile app. Amazon has many mobile apps for different purposes. These apps include Amazon Shopping, Prime Video, Amazon Music, Amazon Photos, Audible, Amazon Alexa, and more. Tap create a new Amazon account. It's the gray button and the gray button at the bottom of the page. If you are using the Amazon shopping app to create an account with a yellow button that says sign in, then the tap create account at the top of the page. If you are using Arrival, tap continue to the top of the page, then tap create an Amazon account at the bottom of the page. Use the first bar at the top of the page to enter the full name. Enter a valid email address or mobile number. Use the second bar to enter an email address. This is the email address you will use to log in Amazon on other devices and apps. Make sure you use an email address that you can access and remember. Type your desired password. Use the third bar in the form to enter the password you would like to use to sign in with. Your password will need to be at least 6 characters long. A good password should have a combination of capital letters, lowercase letters, number, and special characters. Make sure you use the password that you can remember or that you write down your password and put it in a safe place. It's best not to store your password on your computer or smartphone, as this is the best security risks. Tap create your Amazon account, then continue or verify email. Tap the words button to the bottom of the page. Depending on which app you are using, this will either say create your Amazon account, continue, or verify email. The next page will ask you to enter one-time password that you will retrieve your email. Check your email after you register your account. Open the app you use to check your email. You should receive the email title verify your new Amazon account from Amazon.com. For open this email. If you do not receive an email address for Amazon, return to the Amazon app and check the email address you entered and tap resend OTP. Copy or write down the one-time password. The one-time password is the 6-digit password in 4 letters in the center of the email. Write this down or copy it. Return to the Amazon app. Press the home button at the bottom center of your mobile device. Then tap the Amazon app you are using to create your account to return the app. Verify email address to verify your email. We have set one-time password in your email. Enter the one-time password and verify. This verifies your account and signs you into the app under your new account. If you receive a message that says the OTP is invalid, then then resend OTP to receive a new one-time password in your email. Go to the then your email address will be verified. Then your Amazon account will be completed. Create will be completed. So viewers, today we have already know how to make an Amazon account. Yes viewers, I have already teach you how to make an Amazon account. Yes viewers, I have already teach you how to make an Amazon account very easily. So viewers, thanks for watching my video. Inshallah we will be meet again in another video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.